Friday, June 14, 2024. Focus. You have heard that it was said, "You shall not commit adultery." I was shocked to learn that my ex neighbors, the most loving couple I had known, had divorced after many years of marriage. The reason? Adultery. The husband had left home and family for another woman. I kept wondering, unfaithful after 22 years of marriage? When the grass was no longer green on the other side, he came back home hoping to be forgiven. But sadly, the marriage was over. He did not get a second chance. Marriage is a sacred institution that binds two persons to one another, never to part till death. Marriages will fall apart in Jesus' time too, but perhaps less often than happens today. In those days, a man will divorce his wife even on trivial grounds such as inability to cook well. Times have changed and people are more educated and aware, yet divorce is rampant. One of the main reasons for the divorce today is infidelity and adultery. Sometimes that Jesus cautions us about in today's gospel. He says that even entertaining lustful thought will lead to adultery, resulting in broken marriage or divorce. Divorce is sinful and damaging to all family members, and God is against it. Let us not copy the trend of the world, as the internal truth do not change. Fruit. Let me help couples whose marriage are in turmoil with spiritual solutions like forgiveness and reconciliation, if they are open to such help.